Welcome back to Car Brand 2025. Some cars are built. Some are engineered, but the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL Mythos Concept. It is crafted like a Renaissance masterpiece, each curve a whisper of luxury, each surface a canvas of opulence. This is not just an automobile, it's a rolling sanctuary. A Grand Tourer reborn is a work of automotive haute couture. Striking exterior aesthetics. Bathed in deep obsidian black or a lustrous champagne gold, the SL Mythos glistens like a rare gemstone beneath city lights. Its elongated hood and sculpted haunches recall the Grand Tourers of yesteryear, yet its modern Maybach grille and star-studded LED lighting signature confirm its place in the future. A retractable silver-trimmed speedster-style windshield adds a touch of the dramatic, while massive 22-inch forged wheels with intricate Maybach insignia complete the spectacle. Revolutionary interior innovations. Step inside, and the world fades. Crystal-cut switchgear, quilted Napa leather, and a scent-infused cabin transport you to a realm where luxury isn't just felt, it's experienced. A floating 15-inch MBUX hyperscreen, trimmed in hand-polished rose gold, seamlessly integrates AI-assisted controls. The Burmeister 4D surround sound system turns the interior into a private concert hall, while the bespoke champagne cooler and starlit roof panel redefine first-class travel. Technical mastery and performance. Beneath its serene exterior lies a powerhouse. A 6.0L twin-turbocharged V12 purrs with effortless authority, delivering 720 horsepower and 1,000 Nm of torque. The 9-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive ensure a 0 to 100 km/h time of just 3.5 seconds, though this car doesn't sprint, it glides with aristocratic grace. A specialized air suspension system adapts dynamically, offering a ride so smooth it feels like floating above the road. Competitive positioning. The SL Mythos targets only the most elite, the Bentley Bacalar, Rolls-Royce boat tail, and even Aston Martin's bespoke creations. Yet, its seamless blend of Maybach grandeur and SL athleticism ensures it carves out a niche of its own, a grand tourer for the gods of industry and art. Value and ownership. Exclusivity defines its worth. With only a rumored 150 units worldwide and a price nearing $2 million, the SL Mythos isn't just a car, it's a collector's dream. Maintenance. Only for those with Maybach concierge services at their fingertips. Depreciation. Unlikely. This is a future classic in the making. Driving experience. The first press of the accelerator delivers a surge of power so seamless, it feels like commanding a celestial body. The whisper-quiet cabin shields you from the world, yet the growl of the V12 reminds you of the beast within. Corners are handled with the precision of a ballet dancer, while the adaptive suspension absorbs imperfections like they never existed. It is, in essence, the pinnacle of grand touring, a car that doesn't just transport, but transforms every journey into an experience. Irresistible call to action. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL Mythos Concept is more than a car, it's a statement. A symbol of prestige, power, and the rarest form of luxury, effortless supremacy. For those who demand nothing less than the extraordinary, the question isn't whether you want one, it's whether you can get one.